If you just installed a Kwikset lock and need to connect it to Wi-Fi, here's how to set it up step by step. First, you're going to hold down the left button so it's discoverable, and the blue light indicator means it's ready. Now we're going to load into the Kwikset app, and at the top right, we're going to add device, pick the door lock, and there you're going to choose the lock that you just installed. Quick interactive guide, this will help you set up everything. And now that we're in Bluetooth mode, we're going to pair. Now you can name your device, and I'm going to name mine Home. Now we're going to update and install the firmware. Once that's complete, you can set up your 4 to 8 digit access code. And next, you're going to set up your Wi-Fi connection. And we are successful. The setup is complete. And now I'm going to click the lock button just to make sure it works. And we're locked. Easy enough. Thanks for watching.